Hi, I'm Julie Lepage from Carr Real Estate. Let's take a look at some of the features of this fantastic home. Functionality is key with this home. Multiple living areas are sure to suit the modern family lifestyle. This home is ideal for first home buyers and investors alike. The home is located in a tranquil setting on a whisper-quiet street.
Stanhope Gardens is a wonderful suburb to call home. It boasts its own shopping centre and is serviced by a myriad of public and private bus routes, as well as the upcoming North West Rail link. Quality schools and recreational facilities are also within easy access, making the area perfect for families.
As you can see, homes of this quality rarely come to market and don't last very long. I'm Julie Lepage from Carr Real Estate. I look forward to seeing you at our open homes.